What's up everybody, thank you guys so much for clicking this video. For those of you who don't know, my name is Alejandro Orengo and I just got back from Colombia, so I'm going to be editing these little drone shots I put together to make this little video. But this is also serving as my intro. I do want to start putting out more YouTube videos, whether that be behind the scenes, tutorials, or just anything related to real estate or marketing creating. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little montage and I'll see y'all in the next one.